Ransomware attacks are becoming more and more sophisticated. No one is truly safe from the threat of ransomware. You should assume that it can strike you today and be ready. Hence, it makes perfect sense to have an action plan when you are hit by a ransomware attack. The first step is to contain the damage. Quarantine all the affected devices immediately. Remove them from all the networks. This will prevent the attack from spreading to other connected devices. Scan the other connected devices and check if they also got infected. Remember that ransomware spreads very fast. Hence, these connected devices and the storage media also could be infected. Try to identify the specific ransomware family. This will help you to plan the removal tool. There are projects like ID Ransomware project which might be able to identify the ransomware family involved. Once you contain the attack, you can then try to recover the device and your data. In most cases, the easiest recovery is to wipe clean the device, reinstall the operating system, and recover the data from the backups. As part of the recovery, format and reinstall the device, which is the easiest recovery in most scenarios. Removal tools may be available for specific ransomware families. Then restore the data from clean backups. I believe you are regularly backing up your critical data. If you have clean backup files, you can restore the data. Remember to use only clean backup files for the recovery. Also, reevaluate your security. Clearly, you have a weak link in your system, and you don't want lightning to strike twice. Do thorough auditing and ensure that any software you are using are up to date with all the latest security patches installed. Also, report the incident. It's recommended to report the incident to respective agencies. It's also recommended not to pay any ransom to these attackers. That's all for now. Do you agree with this video? Please share your comments regarding this. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you want to stay up to date on the latest technology trends, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.